this video I'll show you how you can make coffee with a French press.
The French press, you need the coffee, Lavazza black or any coffee you like. Most important is this should be not too big, small enough for the amount of coffee you would like to make.
You should heat up the water, but not to the boiling point. Stop the kettle before it stops by itself, or whatever device you use to heat up the water. This part of the French press is the plunger that you push down to separate the coffee from the coffee grinds, and you can clean this. You should actually clean this once in a while, but not with soap, not with dish soap. Just rinse it with water. You don't want to have a flavored coffee as dish soap or lemon taste, no. Get some of your favorite coffee inside the pot, and also don't be afraid to put too much. It's better to put more than not enough. If the coffee is too strong, you can mix it easily. I will show you now how easy it is in a few moments. So the coffee is ready. It's sitting on the French press in the container, and the water is boiling again because I kind of lost a bit of time here. The main thing is you really put the hot water, not boiling, and then you push the plunger down after a few minutes, and then you have filtered coffee. It's like a filter but with this kind of system, and that's why it's called the French press. This is how you can use this. You can make tea with the French press also, by the way. Any preferred tea you have, you can do the same with the tea. And watch the coffee now. Now the next part is a bit controversial, so please, if you don't like to do this, no need to do it. I like to shake it a little bit, just a little bit, and you see this nice creamy coffee on the surface. I like to see that a lot actually. And actually you can really just put this in your cup without the plunger, but the plunger has a purpose to remove the coffee grinds from your coffee, so you don't eat the coffee grinds while you're drinking coffee. And the coffee has to sit a little bit. The grinds will slowly fall to the bottom of this container. That's good because that's what you're supposed to wait for. If the plunger it's too hard to press down, it means it's not ready. You didn't wait long enough. Look at this delicious coffee. Look how nice it looks. It's amazing. And there is a really simple but smart, I would say, secret. I don't like to keep the plunger, this separator, too much on the coffee itself. So when I wait, I keep it like this, not pressed down all the way, just a little bit to close the surface, which is not really needed at all actually. And I put milk in my coffee cup, as much milk as I want first, before the coffee. And when the coffee is ready, I will put the plunger, insert it all the way, and then start pressing it. See, I put it like that. And it shouldn't be too difficult, too hard to press it. If it's hard, it means you didn't wait long enough. The harder it is means there are too many coffee grinds on the surface. Usually they go by themselves to the bottom. You're just helping the last pieces. And now the coffee is filtered, which is the purpose of the French press, to filter the coffee from the coffee grinds. And this is the secret now. You put coffee in the milk, and you put as much as you need until you get the color you need. The color is important. The darker the coffee, the stronger the coffee.
Okay.
So you know which color of coffee you like. I know this is the color I like, So it means it's gonna be exactly how I like it. And like that I can get it right every time. I put the milk first, then the coffee. If you have any coffee left over, you can top it up later.
Let's give it a taste. Let's try it. Delicious. Oh yeah. There's nothing like coffee in the morning. Oh yeah.
Subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you next time.